Hey, here it's WTI, and if you're looking for a heavy-duty stainless steel water hose, this one from Bluebala has exceeded my expectations. This one is 100 feet long. It's super flexible. It's made of a really high-quality stainless steel. We have personally attached this to our outdoor shower, so we have it running 100 feet from the house. It has held up so well. It runs across our lawn, so there's heavy traffic that goes over it all the time, and it's been a fantastic addition. I love how it coils up really easily. It moves very easily. It doesn't kink. It's flexible. It also comes with a nozzle with all kinds of different settings. So if you do want to use this to wash your car or to water your garden, you can absolutely do that as well. One of my favorite features is that the fittings rotate independently, so you have a 360-degree swivel. This makes it so great to avoid those knots or getting stuck. It really moves with you wherever you go. 100 feet is very long. It gives you a lot of distance from the house. It's very easy to connect, and then you can go all that distance to water whatever you need. So if you're also looking for a high quality hose, this one is incredibly durable. I'm sure you'll be very impressed with it too, and that's my point of view.